Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Ukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to start about Standard 9 Maths NCRT plus CBSE Board in that chapter number 1 Number System exercise 1.6 question 1 find. Now the first question is related to 64 raised to power half. So we have to find the value of 64 raised to power half. So let us find. First of all, we will take out the prime factor of 64. So let us take out the prime factor of 64. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 1 will carry over here, 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So here we had taken out the prime factor of 64. Now instead of 64 we will write all these two. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and our power is 1 raised to 2. Now the 2 is repeating 6 times, therefore we will write in a power form 2 raised to 6, and our another power is 1 upon 2. Now one power is inside the bracket and one power is outside the bracket. So here we will, the relation between both the power will be multiply. So here we will write like this. Okay. Now let us cut the power. 2 1s are and 2 3s are. So our answer is 2 raised to 3. And you know that 2 raised to 3 means we have to write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Our answer is 8. So this is the first one. Now let us move to the second one, that is our second one is 32 raised to power 1 upon 5. Now again we will take out the prime factor of 32. So here we will take out the prime factor of 32. So again 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 will remain here. So 2 6s are 12. Again 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now instead of 32 we will write all these two. 1 2 3 4 5. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by. Okay. And we will write power 1 upon 5. Now 2 is repeating 5 times. Therefore we will write 2 raised to 5 and our 1 upon 5 power over here. Okay. Now the relation between both the power will be multiply. So here we will multiply both the power like this. Now 5 5 will cut. So our answer is 2 raised to 1. That means 2 only. So this is our final answer. Let us move to the third one, that is 125 raised to third one 125 raised to 1 upon 3. Okay, so first of all we will take out the prime factor of 125. So here we will take out the prime factor of 125. So we will go with a 5 table. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 2 will remain over here. So 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are. So now instead of 125 we will write all these 5. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 in one bracket and 1 upon 3 our power. Okay. Now 5 is repeating 3 times. That means we have to write in a power form 5 raised to 3. Now we will write 1 upon 3 as a power. Now the relation between both the power will be multiplication. So we will write like this. 3 will be cut. So our answer is 5 raised to 1. That means 5 only. So in this way we will calculate all the 3 sum that is related to exercise 1.6 question 1. Take out the prime factor for all the digit and convert it into power form. Then it will be easy for you. Okay, thank you.